Okay, we're back again. I've been out of this codebase proper for a little while. I mean, I added the play button, but that was not really anything. So I think I want to do something that hopefully should be relatively small. And what I want to do is I want to take advantage of this shared memory in X rather than, what do we do currently? We get picture or something. But rather than doing whatever it is we're doing, I want to take advantage of the shared memory extension should we have it. And one day I will make use of the information that we may not have every extension. Oh yeah, damage. Yeah, I forgot about that too. No, we'll probably just use shared memory. We'll probably ditch fixes and damage. I'm not sure we're going to need that. But, wait, am I using damage right now? No. Okay, but let's get into it. So the first thing we want to do is go to our old friend X11 protocol documentation. I don't know, this looks like it could be right. I mean, I don't know much, but this is looking pretty zesty. A good amount of zest in this document. Okay. Yeah, a bunch of shit. Yeah, we've done that. Okay, this is where we start. Use of shared memory X images. Create the shared memory X image structure. Create a shared memory segment to store the... Oh, this is like in the operating system. Inform the server about the shared memory segment. Use the shared memory X image much like a normal one. Okay. So we just back it with shared memory? Is that what we're doing? To create a shared memory... Well, I mean, this is xlib, which we're not using. User X11 share XCB. Is it MIT? Is it XSHM? Oh, include. Shum. Okay, so we've got an attach request. Put image request? Oh, yeah, I see. Oh, do we have to go through this? Surely not. I don't think we have to worry about the put image request. Get image request, that's interesting. The thing is, I'm kind of expecting not have to worry about the shared memory part of it. You feel me? Attach. So this does it. Attach a system v shared memory segment. Shared memory segment ID created with XCV generate ID. Okay. True if the segment shall be mapped read-only by the X11 server. No. The client may destroy the segment as soon as it receives XC... Ooh, that doesn't sound like what you want. I don't think I want that. Case XCB shim completion. To do. Handle this bad boy. This is unchecked. Right. And this destroys it. Okay, that's fine. Okay, what is this? Copy data from the shared memory to the specified durable. We don't need to do that. Copy data from the shared memory to the specified durable. Yeah, I just said we don't need to do that. Copies data from the specified durable to the shared memory segment. Do I need to do that? Oh yeah, do I have to mask that? Maybe. Plane mastified which plane? Yeah, it looks like a get image. You should first instruct the server to detach from it and then destroy the segment itself as follows. Bro, why are there so many steps? Okay. I forgot this about X. There's so much shit going on. Oh yeah, and the XCB is asynchronous, even though in practice that doesn't seem to be super useful. Okay, so if we want to know an X window, what do we want to do? I think we want to do it in here, right? Change attributes, request check, back X window. I think that's what I want. To do, check if extensions are available. I'm going to keep that there for now. Yes, this keeps it backed. Window. Right, this baps it with baps it. Get bapped. Backs it with the pix map. I'm not necessarily convinced this is gonna be different. Maybe the difference is, yeah, the difference is that the shared memory segment, it shouldn't require another several copies of the data. As in copying the data from place to place. At least that's the hope. Either way, I think we need to do this in here. X composite redirect window checked. Yeah. I don't know if I have to do that. Can I use a pix map as an image? Is that right? It's an image. Next, attach the shared memory segment to your process. Shared memory address equals image data schmat. Cool that they changed the font for this as well. That's cool. Yeah, to create a segment, do this nonsense. Okay, so we already have an image. To create a shared memory image, what is an X image? Do I have to do that? Okay, let's just start doing shit. Let's find a thing that we can call that looks plausible. Create pixmap, that looks plausible. Create a pixmap backed by shared memory. Okay, and then I should be able to still map it into the pixmap, right? This looks fantastic. The drawable? What's the drawable here? The drawable to create the pixmap in. What? The window, I guess, right? I don't know. The shared memory segment used to create the pixmap. Create a pixmap backed by shared memory. Writes to the shared memory will be reflected in the context of pip. What do you mean though? Like, don't I have to call the get image? Yeah, I think that's fine. Okay, that looks good, but I still need the shared memory segment first. Attach FD. FD's nuts. Okay, a shared memory segment ID. The size of the segment. True if the server should map it read-only, otherwise false. This looks very familiar. Haven't I already come across this? The parameter PE. Oh, right. The parameter E supplied must be null. Yeah, create segment. Okay. The return value must be freed by the caller. That's fine. Okay, this is attach. Attach a System 5 shared memory segment. Okay, but what does this do? Create shared memory segment reply. This is create shared memory segment. Ask the server to allocate a shared memory segment. Ask the server to allocate a shared memory segment. The server the server's reply will include a file descriptor for the client to pass to mmap. Huh. Do I want to do that instead? That seems better. Is that better? I don't know if that's better or not. All right, let's go back up. So let's do this the proper way, quote unquote. Let's make our own shared memory segment and then tell the server about it, even though that sounds kind of shit. We're gonna do it. I guess we'll do it up here. So let's start. Man, schmat. I don't know. Maps the shared memory segment associated with the shared memory identifier into the address space of the calling process. It's determined by the schmerger parameter. If it's null, the system will pick one, that's fine. Is it schmget? Is that what I need to get a schmid? Yes, that is how I get a schmid. A shared memory segment is created if either key is equal to IPC private or key does not have a shared memory segment identifier. And IPC create bit is set in schmflg. What do they want me to do? They want me to just use IPC private and IPC create? Okay, sure. I can do that. Is this schmget? Yes, this is schmget. Okay, well, let's go schmid. And then we'll go schmid equals schmget. IPC private. Size is